everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Euphorbia box for the month of April. It's a beauty box priced at 248 rupees plus 42 rupees shipping. In the month of March, we did not have a box because they were undergoing some changes, and the facelift version is now ready in April, and it is actually a Women's Day edition. You can actually get a complimentary gift. The details will be mentioned in the description box from a particular brand. So let's get started. So here we have Euphorbia box for the month of April, and it is a revamped box in all senses. I'll show you how. So the outer packaging is a typical cardboard packaging, and it has Euphorbia written on it. And once you open it, first up, all the products are inside this reusable pouch, and I think you can even use this for storing your shoe or even during traveling. So this is like a reusable product, and inside that, ta-da, we have the new facelift of Euphorbia. We have a pouch here that reads Euphorbia, and I really appreciate this. At this price point, this is one of the best innovations they can bring about. So it is a very good quality pouch. It is like a soft leather, and it's nice. You can actually carry it. The brown and black combination is also very classy. So inside this pouch, I'm happy that it's written in black only, so you can actually carry it out. I usually don't appreciate when the name of the bag or something is written out there, so you can't carry it out. But this doesn't look like a freebie. This looks like a good purse only. So inside that, we have all the products, and also we have the card. So the card says there are 4 products inside. Definitely the bag and the outer pouch are not considered as products, but I would definitely consider them as products. So let's get started. First product is from the brand Good Soap, and what we have here is a Glow Elixir for gentle hydration for daily harmony with balancing oils. It's a 10 ml of the product, and you can use it to apply your face and neck morning and night. Okay, you can also use it as a makeup primer. That's great. The main ingredients include base oils, blend of organic of lavender, tea tree, geranium, eucalyptus, blue chamomile, and vitamin E. Wow, that's great. It is good for problem oily skin, blemished skin, and for oily T-zone. It is non-clogging and fast absorbing. The claims are already drool-worthy. So this is how the serum looks like. A very classy bottle packaging. Usually these come in these opaque bottles, but this is like a transparent bottle, and it has a PA of 12 months. So let's test the texture. So this is how the oil has a fragrance of a very floral fragrance. It is not very oily, but it is definitely hydrating in nature. And I think for oily skin, this is best suited as a night treatment. And for dry skin, definitely a good makeup primer as well as a morning serum. And I'm definitely excited to try this one. A new brand for me, and a very cute packaging also. So this is my first product. Next I have here is a makeup, and it is from the brand 7 Seas. And what we have here is a long-lasting HD lip gloss. The price is 399 rupees. It has an expiry of 3 years. The shade is 121. So 7 Seas, I think I have used the brand through the box only, Euphorbia only. So the shade that I have here is a beautiful coral peach kind of shade. Even though it's a lip gloss, the color payoff is as good as a liquid lipstick. So I really like the color. It will be a very beautiful shade. So it's nice, a good addition and a unique addition also. Next product is from the brand Aranyam, and what we have here is a nail and cuticle health cream. That is good. A natural recipe for the rejuvenation of nails, cuticle, and skin surrounding the nail. Improve the overall health of nails. You have to massage a tiny amount onto the nails. Ingredient: coconut, sesame, castor, almond, jojoba, shea butter, mango butter, beeswax, geranium, and essential oils. That's good. I don't think I've used this brand before. And a cuticle, I personally like the product because I have very brittle nails, especially after my nail extension ceremony. So this is how the cream looks like. Let me sniff it. It doesn't have any particular fragrance, a very gentle fragrance. So this is basically, it's a very transparent kind of cream. So it's nice. It's not very oily either. You can definitely apply it, maybe like, as part of your night routine, you can definitely apply it onto your nails. So I'm excited to try a new brand, and also something that is very useful for most of us because we all suffer from unhealthy nails. So that is good. And the last product that I have here is a pair of earrings, and it's for 250 rupees. Get in, shine on from Euphorbia Meenakari tassel earrings. Let's open up. So this is how the earring looks like. I think all of you will be receiving the same design and probably a random color. It is lightweight and it is a mix of Afghani and that tassel design. So this is the last product in the revamped Euphorbia box for the month of April. So this month's Euphorbia is definitely a big thumbs up from my side. We are receiving a skincare, something for hand and nails, a lip gloss which is as good as a liquid lipstick, a beautiful earrings, a pouch that is reusable, and also something that you can use for storing clothing or shoe or whatever that is. So all of these products together, and at this price point, I definitely feel that the Euphorbia facelift edition is absolutely value for money. I'll definitely recommend this month to you, and I think this is one of the best editions so far. That's my personal opinion also. So let me know how you guys like Euphorbia box and what you guys feel about the facelift. It's definitely good, I know. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.